In this video, you'll learn how to change the phone number associated with your Binance account. This process involves updating your contact information within the security settings of your profile. By following these steps, you can ensure that your account remains secure and accessible. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you are on the home page, navigate to the profile icon, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu and then select profile settings from the options provided. This action will take you to a new page where you can manage your account settings. Next, but locate the security section within the settings menu. This area contains various security features designed to protect your account. Find the option labeled phone number and click on change phone number. To proceed, you will need to verify your current phone number. Binance will prompt you to complete this verification through either your existing phone number or your registered email address. Follow the security instructions displayed on the screen. It is important to note that Binance may require you to complete an identity verification step to ensure the security of your account. After successfully verifying your current number, you will be prompted to enter your new phone number. Make sure to input the number correctly, as it will be essential for future verifications. Once you have entered the new number, Binance will send a verification code to that phone. Check your messages for this code and enter it in the designated field on the screen. Once you have entered the verification code, make sure to save your changes. This step is crucial as it confirms the update to your phone number. After saving, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your phone number has been successfully updated. It is advisable to double check your account settings to ensure that the new number is reflected accurately. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.